Hello ladies and gentlemen, 4th of January, let's a little bit speed up and have a price action analysis as soon as possible. First, wide orders, large trades. Where we go 15 minutes, this is how it looks like. Does it matter? Let's start to zoom out. This is how 30 minutes looks like. 1 hour and basically 4 hour. At the 4 hour, we see the big, what is this? The circle. So when the big buy orders came, could be the bottom. I do hope, because I also took the longs there. So for now, they're all in profit and looks very promising. But yeah, that's just the data, how it looks like. So these are the large wide trade orders. In terms of the liquidation heat map, this is where we are. We have apparently a lot of liquidation, 97, and before it was a bit lower. So it is evaluating, but also a lot of above us, so both directions. We are already concentrating a bit below, so maybe the next time is to liquidate some beers. In terms of the timing, nothing changed. We are still way ahead in the bull run, and instead of the comparison US 500 and US 100, this is what matters. And look that Bitcoin is basically copying the moves from those two instruments, and this is how it looks like. US 100 pumping, US 500 pumping, and yes, if we look into the past, the next potential dump and the bigger correction, if we look at the past, we have end of March, beginning of April. If so, the same could happen exactly for US 500. Will be basically very similar timing. And for Bitcoin and Ethereum, both price actions looks fine. In terms of the Bitcoin 12 months and the 6 months candles, in both we have a sell and top signals, and it doesn't look well, but we had already these situations before. Yeah, I mean, if we look back, every time we had this signal, and every time we had the actually pullback year after and the candle later. So if you see the candle, every time it happened, it pop up, we had a pullback. But as I told last time, it doesn't mean it have to happen, because we know the fundamentals are extremely strong. We have new buyers, whole countries buying Bitcoin to the reserve, or they're doing this. And the goal of market makers is to trick the algos, because algo trading is a lot of money coming. So if they can fake algos, they will liquidate a lot of beer. Guys, and beer traps will follow. So on Ethereum, this is how the situation looks like. You have to agree, it looks much better than Bitcoin, because we even didn't come to all-time high yet. So all-time high is still in front of us, and 3,300 looks like a bottom. But let's follow it strictly and monitor. Here is the chart analysis of Bitcoin versus the gold ETF. So on the monthly time frame, there is no bigger change, but there is a lot of similarities I try to show you. First of all, high level, where we are, where we go, and when I did the same for Bitcoin, where we are, where we go, okay? So just to put the things into perspective, please, that we are still extremely early. But if we go to the details, this is how the chart may looks like. And let me zoom it in a little bit for you. So we saw exactly the same red month close like gold ETF in the same time horizon after trading ETF. But look what happened next. 1, 2, 3. Basically only up for the next 3 months, means end of March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay, so we are here. And that's what we are trading. I took these trades, and for now it looks very promising again. Let me have a look and show you the details. 2005, how similar price action was for gold versus Bitcoin. This is here. This is this moment. Look, basically it's almost the same chart. So we have here, we are here, and this is what happened next. Huge pump, potential pullback for inauguration, and then up again, consolidation, and up pump. So basically high level, this could be the bottom, but let's monitor it. Monthly chart looks amazing. On RSI, we have still way to go. That's why, as I show you this sell signals, doesn't mean this is the top. We are still way to go. All the data looks that we are still early, and you can still keep buying Bitcoin with the 90% of discount before 1 million and the 99% discount in case of Bitcoin going to 10 million the next 20 years. So for Ethereum, the chart looks just amazing. We didn't go to all-time high yet, which is almost at 5K, right? So just give it time, but we go there. Keep your longs open, keep your spot open. Don't take profit yet. Ethereum will give you a lot more money. If we go to the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, we have a signal of bottom. We had the same situations already before, and this is what happened afterwards. Yeah, I would even pursue that we are built more here really, and we have a little more time for the next moves, but there are reasons why I put it here. However, if we look into some similarities, I would really put that we are even here, because look how much time it took us to come to this moment from the top to here. Okay, so let's play a little bit with this chart. Every time is different, that's all of us know. But 36 bars, yeah, okay. Let me just close this. 36 bars. We have 32 for a similar price action. 36 would give us here, but we can also say we could be from here to this. I don't know. The point is, does it really matter? I would delete it. What matters is really this. We are here, and we have similar price actions after the long consolidation and the fall down. This is what happens usually next. Okay, and that's all. That's the most important chart, and I hope the common sense is here just enough. Do you agree? So also RSI, look how it looks like. Where we are with RSI, where we are still nowhere. It's just nowhere. The move for Ethereum didn't start yet. We don't have to see extreme move because the all money comes to Bitcoin, but chart and the history is repeating very often. So this is how the RSI looks like. If we saw that for Bitcoin we have still place to go, for ETH we even didn't start it yet, guys. So ETH is a really good bet. Bitcoin dominance as per plan looks perfectly, and also look at the crossing lines very, very soon and what happened next after this timing. Okay, here and here. So lower time frame, consolidation, dump, support, test, and became a resistance, pullback. So we can still have a chop around here until inauguration, I think, but let's monitor it clearly. Alts excluding top 10, this is how it looks like. Or is fine, or is in line. Others to Bitcoin, others to ETH. Hey, they are growing. It's good now. Put your money to alts. It's now time to do it. Everything was dumped so hard by end of December. Now it's time to be in alts, guys. All the charts are showing us the same story. So that's something to remove because it's duplicated. XRP looks just amazing. Solana, ADA, Doge, everything went up like a hell. Alt season looks amazing. We have a solid pullback, and now the continuation of the move up. If we look on Bitbo where we are, the cycles lows, we are at the low. Compare the previous cycles, it looks perfectly on the rainbow. It looks perfectly on the stock to flow, stock to income. It looks perfectly. We have like May, June according to the chart, but even more probably. This news we don't care right now. ETF inflow outflows. Look this candle here. Incredible, 908 millions. Everything what was wiped out was wiped in immediately back. Man, it's so much money. It's just crazy. A lot of money came to Bitcoin, and we immediately said the results. Bitcoin USD liquidation hit map, we already spoke about it, above and below us, both cases, so 50-50. Bitcoin trend on Google, exactly as the price pullback, shitcoins went, altcoins down together with the trend. Glassnode looks also very promising. If you see, we have a slight reversal. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Quarterly returns, we know that Ether after inauguration elections looks UI go crazy. Inflows we checked. Bitcoin got an additional volume, look, trillions of US dollars, and very soon coming to 2 trillions and keeping the 7th position. But Alphabet, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, especially Amazon, Alphabet, you are next. So global liquidity cycle looks outstanding, and liquidation heat map looks crazy good. So we are set to go, guys. Buy everything we can. Sell your car, sell your dogs, wives, not kids, and buy some spot, save spot, and hold it for the next month. Not financial advice, a bit of fun, but no, definitely it's good to now be in crypto. And yeah, if you like it, please subscribe to the channel and talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.